guys, welcome to Star Mix. I'm Nash Aguas and today I'll be giving you 5 of my favorite music videos. To get the show started, my fifth pick is Take Over the Breaks Over by Fall Out Boy. Fave ko talaga to kasi since bata pa ako, mga 8 years old, Fall Out Boy na pinapakinggan ko. And yun yung first band na talagang nahilig ako sa music, as in lagi ako naka-headphones and pinapakinggan ko Fall Out Boy. So, yun, sana magustuhan nyo. Ito na po ang Take Over the Breaks Over by Fall Out Boy. Apat naman na gusto ang music video ay Love Bug by the Jonas Brothers. Sobrang favorite ko to kasi actually, lately ko lang siya nagustuhan dahil nung nag-break up yung Jonas Brothers, syempre, sobrang ingay, sobrang daming pinag-uusap yung Jonas Brothers. Tapos na-curious ako hanggang sa nakita ko yung pinakamadaming views na music video nila, which is Love Bug. And sobrang astig dahil sobrang astig dun sa parang nasayat sila and parang 70s yung dating. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Ito na po ang Love Bug by Jonas Brothers. And that was Jonas Brothers with Love Bug. More of my favorite music videos when Star Mix returns. Welcome back to Star Mix. You're still with me, Nash Aguas. At ang pangatlong pick ko po ay walang iba kundi With You by Chris Brown. Sobrang gusto ko itong video to dahil sobrang cool na moves ni Chris Brown. And syempre si Chris Brown siya, sobrang galing niya. Sumayaw, kumanta, lahat na. And ang astig ng shirt niya, nag-iiba-iba ng kulay. So, para maintindihan niyo yung sinasabi niyo, panoorin niyo po ang With You by Chris Brown. My second favorite music video, here is Thanks for the Memories by Fall Out Boy. Sobrang favorite ko nito kasi, yun nga, sabi ko, Fall Out Boy fan talaga ako. And sobrang astig ng mga monkeys dun sa music video. And actually, pumunta kami ni Alexa sa concert nila, ganun ako ka-fanboy. As in, sobrang astig dun sa loob. Sobrang galing ni Pete Wentz at ni Patrick Stump. And yung ibang guys dun. So, guys, sana magustuhan nyo. Second favorite ko, Thanks for the Memories by Fall Out Boy. Don't go away, guys, because my number 1 pick is up next. Star Mix will be right back. Welcome back po dito sa Star Mix. You're still with me, Nash Aguas. Now, I'll be showing you my number 1 pick. At ito po ay walang iba kundi ang Welcome to the Black Parade by My Chemical Romance. Ba't ko ba ito favorite? Kasi sobrang epic na talaga. As in, pag yung marinig mo pa lang yung first note ng Welcome to the Black Parade, sobrang nakakagulat na yun, nakaka-chills na. Lalo na yung music video nito. Para malaman nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko, panoorin nyo po. My 5 favorite music videos. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. Thank you for joining me. This is Nash Aguas on Star Mix.